and इस पार्टी के होस्ट हैं like Abdul Hadi and दो like I think Aryan is also like kind of a semi host क्योंकि वो है like and पुराना कलाम Labs का काफी टाइम से है. So the hosts are Dev Jaiswal and Abdul Hadi are the main people क्योंकि उनके thumbnail पे भी उन्होंने पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज करी है इस टाइप की. Okay, so guys इसमें क्या कहते हैं एक और चीज थी कि हम लोग पहले क्या कहते हैं जब ऑन करेंगे तो आप लोग ही इंट्रोड्यूस करोगे. ओके, टेल एवरीबॉडी कि हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. दिस इज अ साइंस पार्टी और समथिंग व्हाटएवर थिंग्स आर देयर. ओके, एंड देन वी कैन बिगिन एंड वी हैव बिकम लाइव आई थिंक यूजुअल.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so we are live as of now. So spread this link to like we will shall discuss the science concepts in this session. So the Dave and Abdul Hadi take over the session. You have invited me and us to your science party along with your friends. So Dave and Abdul Hadi, come on, please and take over the evening.
Yes, sir. So my name is Abdul Hadi and I'm from Green School, New Delhi, India. I study in class 12. So this is a New Year science party and in this we will be answering the science questions and ask as many questions as you can.
Yes. So that's the basic spirit. So Dave, please introduce the second host and host of this evening.
Hello, I am Dev Jaiswal from St. Paul's. I have invited my friends and teachers for the New Year party. We can ask as many questions as we can.
Okay.
Let's hope this party will be fun for everyone.
Yes. So अब तो तुम्हारी साइड से कौन है आया है? Like who is your party mate? कौन आया है? Like
Sir, Aryan.
Aryan Gupta. Yes, Aryan, please. The quiz master.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I want to say that my name is Aryan Gupta and I am studying in class 7th in Birla Shishu Vihar, Rajasthan. And I want to tell you all that they will ask the question. I will try to answer all of those questions as I have the knowledge.
Yes.
And I have the teammate as Abdul Hadi.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes. So Dev, तुम्हारी साइड से और कौन दोस्त आए हैं? Like
leaving Aryan all.
Pardon?
Sir?
Yes, तुम्हारे कौन से फ्रेंड्स आए हैं यहाँ पे?
The Sanskar Jaiswal first, then Khushi Jaiswal. And
Okay, great. So, Sanskar, would you like to introduce yourself? Switch on the camera and please introduce.
I'm not getting my webcam, so I cannot switch on the video.
No
I'm
issues.
searching for it.
No issues. Please introduce yourself. Yeah.
Okay, I study in class 8. My name is Sanskar Gupta and I am a student of St. Paul's School.
Okay. That's great.
And my classmate is Dev Jaiswal.
Oh, classmate. That's a wonderful thing. And Sparsh Gupta, come on. You were party में आए हो, like science discuss करने के लिए. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Sparsh Gupta. I am from HP Children Academy, Gorakhpur.
Oh, HP Children Academy, Gorakhpur. Nice. So, Yeju, please send out the links of this YouTube streaming to all the other people of Kalam Labs and myself, Harshit Awasthi, to all the new people. And this is a science party which has been organized by Dev Jaiswal and Abdul Hadi in association with Aryan, Sparsh Gupta, Sanskar Jaiswal, and also like other people. So in this we will be discussing basic science concepts. We'll have a ride on the Kalam world. Okay, and then we'll ask up questions to our audiences. We will ask up basic answers and we will enjoy and welcome the new year with a lot more fun and enthusiasm. So on YouTube, Meena, Bhati and Asta Chauhan are live. Hi everyone. Hi Meena ma'am. Hi Asta Chauhan. And this is the evening. We are celebrating science. And yeah. So guys, who is going to present the screen? Dave, Abdul Hadi,
Sir, can I? Abdul Hadi?
Yes, you can present the screen.
So please make me the host.
Yes, that will be done.
You can share your screen, Abdul.
Okay, sir. I'm just trying. Sir, actually, I'll join with the phone to share the screen. So just a minute.
Hello, sir. Can I share?
Okay, we can share one by one. Like who's equipped with AR vision? Like कौन जिगाती vision चला पाता है?
Sir, I.
So okay, so like what we will do is like we like initially like Abdul will present and then perhaps in the later session Dave can present the screen. Okay. Cool.
Okay, sir.
So yes, so now people on YouTube are coming live. Nitish Party, hello, and all the people, hello. That's really wonderful to have you all. So this is the screen of the like Dave. You can do the commentary. Like as Abdul Hadi is presenting, you can do the commentary.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. This is Kalam Lab game.
What we do out here? क्या करते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे देव?
यहाँ पे हम लोग अलग अलग प्लैनेट के बारे में डिस्कवर करते हैं.
Okay. And Abdul, what is your favorite part about it? Can you introduce? Like बता सकते हैं?
So, sir, my favorite part about this is just going and exploring the space as we can. So, I just want to get out of this the space, as we know that it is expanding day by day. So, I want to just reach its limit.
Whoa. That's really a great concept, great vision. So guys, like, come on, ले चलो. Like, कहाँ पे जाना है? Dave, Abdul, बताओ क्या करें? Like, where we should go first? Spaceship में बैठे पहले?
Sir, actually, I wanted to go to Jupiter because there was a question I asked on the live YouTube on Jupiter to get out of the fence of the Jupiter. So, I want to do that first.
Okay, so did you? Okay, sir, take your spaceship and take us to Jupiter now, Abdul.
Yes, sir. I also want to go to the Jupiter.
Yes. Why not, Aryan? The quiz master is already present. So, Aryan, would you like to ask questions whenever there? So, Khushi, hi. We can see you. Hi, Khushi. Like, तुमने introduce नहीं किया है? Would you like to introduce? किस class में हो? And Aviral has also joined in. Shreyans has also joined in. So, Khushi, तुम क्या अपना mic unmute करोगे? Yes. So, yeah, Aviral, you are also joined in new. Like, would you like to introduce yourself? Great. So now I think Dave, बताओ like इसमें like who like Aryan like इसमें बताओ like take us to the like informations out of in Jupiter. बताओ क्या क्या चीजें हैं यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है like introduce to the people for the first time what's happening out
Yes,
there.
sir. Now we are there in the Jupiter, and as we all can see, there are the sandstorms in the Jupiter.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. So now we will go to the Jupiter and some explore more about it.
Mm-hmm. Abdul, what are you planning? You were saying you were about to cross the fence, like.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aryan, what like एक चीज बताओ like what's the interesting thing about Jupiter? Like क्या है ऐसा खास यहाँ पे?
सर यहाँ पर खास तो मतलब मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन लगा कि आई हैव टू आस्क दैट जुपिटर में वैसे प्लांट्स कोई भी प्लांट नहीं होता है. सर यहाँ पर प्लांट क्यों है?
Because this is Kalam world. We are trying to experiment कि यहाँ पे अगर कलाम like अगर plants आते हैं तो कैसे आ सकते हैं. So like this is our basically virtual world where we can do anything like GTA.
Sir, I'm out of the fence.
Yes, sir. He is out of the fence.
How could you do that? Whoa, that's truly amazing. Even I never did it. That's truly wonderful. So Aryan, इसके बारे में fun facts बताओ मुझे. Dev and Aryan, बताओ like what are the fun facts about Jupiter? Like क्या ऐसा special इस planet के बारे में? Yes, Aryan.
So this
First,
is
I would like Dave to tell.
Dave, yes, Dave.
Sir,
Who's this?
Sir, Kushi Jaiswal.
Hi, Kushi. How are you?
Sir, Dave is disconnected.
Okay. So we'll wait for Dave to rejoin. So Aryan, please take us on a journey of curiosity and knowledge of Jupiter. बताओ क्या क्या fun facts है तुम्हारे पास इसके बारे में?
हाँ बोलो है.
So Dave is there.
Okay.
So this is the point from where we can get out of the fence.
Oh, that's interesting, Abdul. That's really interesting. So Dave, बताओ.
I also tried to go out of the fence, but I didn't got out.
Even I did. अच्छा Dave, fun
How
facts
he
क्या है?
can do that?
Fun facts क्या है Jupiter के बारे में? Dave? Hello, Dave.
Yes.
Yes. What are the cool things about Jupiter? Like मुझे ये पता है कि सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा planet है and काफी सारी चीजें करता है.
The Jupiter have a big red spot.
So ये क्या
It is
है?
bigger than the Earth.
ये क्या करता है?
Sir, it includes a lot of gases and it is like a tornado. A big tornado.
It's a big tornado.
Yes, sir. It can fit up to 1 Earth on that spot. It can fit up to 1 Earth on that spot. On the Great Red Spot.
Okay, and something other Dave जो इसके बारे में काफी ज्यादा special है इस planet के बारे में.
So,
It is the most biggest planet.
72 moons.
72 moons. बाप रे बाप, 72 moons. Can you name a few? Like some किसी के like anybody can name like up in the audience like Sponge, Kushi, Abdul, Hadi as well, like Abral, Sanskar, Shreyansh, all the people. Can you name a few moons of Jupiter? And Abdul Hadi यहाँ पे rover के ऊपर चढ़ गया. That's a wonderful thing. So, yep. Aryan, is your like fun facts ready now? Like, are you ready with your fun facts about Jupiter?
Sir, the fun fact, the one I have got is Jupiter is the most biggest, and it has a great red spot which can fit up to 1 Earth. It has 82 moons, and I didn't think of more.
Okay, that's really interesting. That's really interesting. So, क्या कहते हैं अभी ये बताओ क्या क्या कहते हैं तुम्हारा favorite planet like क्या Jupiter है क्या? What's your favorite planet like? Dave and Jupiter like Abdul Hadi, Aryan, Kushi. What's your favorite planet? सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा planet तुम लोग को पसंद आता है?
Sir,
Sir,
actually,
obviously Earth.
Obviously, oh, that's a very cute answer.
but I like Uranus.
You like Uranus? Okay, that's really cool. Dave, तुम्हारा कौन सा सबसे favorite planet है?
Sir, Pluto.
वो planet तो होना चाहिए उसको.
No, sir, but it is the dove planet. It is the planet. It is not included in solar, but it is the planet.
Okay. Why it's Pluto not a planet? Like by the way, Dave.
So because
Sir,
it is
because
very
he
small.
doesn't, he breaks the rule.
Which rule?
Sir,
It is very small.
he does not have a fixed shape. He's not in circular.
Okay.
He's in.
One more fact I would like to tell. During this, so when I'm in the spaceship, when I'm in the path of that Mercury or Venus, they suddenly come and throw me out of their orbit. And Pluto is a planet only which doesn't throw the objects out of its orbit.
Okay, that's interesting. That's interesting. So यहाँ पे like audience, please tell us back like what's your favorite planet? Like तुम आप लोगों को कौन सा सबसे अच्छा planet लगता है? And in the comment section and do.
Sir, my favorite planet is Earth only.
Which planet?
Earth.
Earth. Like you're from which school? Like have you introduced yourself to the audience? Hello.
Sir,
Yes. So now like Yeah, Shreyansh, would you like to tell that what's your favorite planet?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what's your favorite planet, Shreyansh?
Sir, Neptune is my favorite planet.
Okay, that's great. सबके काफी diverse favorite planets आ रहे हैं New Year party में. And Sanskar, what's your favorite planet?
Earth.
Earth. That's beautiful. Next, we have who's not answered the favorite planet question? So Sparsh. Sparsh,
Yes.
what's your favorite planet?
So my favorite planet is Earth only.
Earth. So यार conscious हो गया है. Like in this YouTube chat section, you can also see that favorite planet Earth. A lot of people are asking Sufi P. But let's go to Earth now. अभी हम लोग Earth पे आ ही चुके हैं and वहाँ पे काफी अच्छा चल रहा है माहौल. It's a bright sunny day on Kalam World Island and the character Jigyasu is moving around. So based on these things, like Aryan, would you like to ask questions? Like जो अभी what are the things we are seeing in the game as of now?
Sir, I don't have the questions now.
Okay, Abdul Hadi, Dev, Sparsh.
Sir, I too don't have questions, but I want to answer questions.
Okay.
Trees are, so that leaves are brown in shape, brown in color.
Okay, that's interesting. So, why do you think the leaves turn brown?
Some leaves are brown color.
Okay. Yes, Abdul, what you were saying?
Sir, actually, most time it happens this over here it is a plant and its leaves are brown also and green also. So when a plant is just at the time when it's dying or something, so the leaves become brown and they just fall. And sometimes there are some plants which contain a pigment with the chlorophyll, so it becomes green
Okay.
or other color.
That's great, Abdul. So, that's a good answer. Whenever the leaves they start dying off, so होता क्या है
Sir, I have got one question.
the quiz master is ready again. तो अब आर्यन quiz अपने quizzing शुरू करने वाला है, तो सब लोग ready हो जाओ in the YouTube chat section. अमिताभ बच्चन from कौन बनेगा Curiosity something. आर्यन अभी start करने वाला है अपना session. So coming back to the brown leaf question by Dev Jaiswal. Yes, it is true that on this island we have colored them brown, but that's something which our game creator Shashak just created out of his own creativity. But in actual real world, what happens is whenever there's shortage of water, the leaves they try to hide back their chlorophyll in the the inner section. Why so? Because there are other cells which help the leaves to basically retain water. In that sense, कभी-कभी क्या होता है? Those fibrous tissues they are brown in color or perhaps dark in nature. In order to allow the plant not to lose water in all that sense. And whenever leaves die, so chlorophyll also turns into a brown object. So that's a phenomena which occurs, and that is how it happens. So now, Aryan, what are the questions now? Please, shoot.
Sir, my question is that in some of the plants, their leaves are of other colors, not only green. So, do they have chlorophyll in them also?
Oh, that's
Yes,
a
sir.
good question. Okay, Abdul is ready with the question answer. But on the YouTube, we all people are telling answers. So Nita Avasthi, Earth is favorite planet. Asna Chauhan, Earth is favorite planet. So Sophie T, Earth is the favorite planet. And a lot of questions are also coming in, so we will take them one by one. So coming back to Aryan's question, yes, there are certain plants which don't have chlorophyll, and the absence of chlorophyll it does leads them not to be green. So if अगर एक plant के पास chlorophyll नहीं होता है, जैसे there are a lot of seaweeds, okay, so they have pigments which are red in color, blue in color, and all these things. So these pigments they are most likely not green in color. So hence what happens is that these plants will not be importantly as green or something. Abdul, would you like to elaborate on that?
No, sir, I was only thinking that.
Oh, that's beautiful. So Abhi, Abdul, what are you presenting your screen? What are you
Sir,
presenting?
So I want to show that, look, this is the night sky, and there are so many constellations. Now
Okay.
these look normal as we see. Now if we will see this on Jupiter, it will look different. Because there are so many storms and other winds, dust, that it make too much invisible to see them.
Yes, it will look the same, but sand और sandstorm की वजह से वो दिखता नहीं है. That's the good observation, Abdul. So Abdul, once again, can you get back to the observatory again?
Yes, sir, he's back.
Yes. Can you go back to the observatory?
Sir, it's just loading.
Yeah. So what's happening is like it's observatory where we can look into any star. What's your favorite part of the game, by the way? Abdul, Dev, Aryan, like what's your favorite part in this game?
So my favorite part in this game is that we can do whatever we want and just roam around or research on something. Even constellations also. Like in the night sky we cannot do in real, but in this life we can.
Oh, that's really cool thing. So all the
Yes,
people.
sir, in this game we can do everything we want.
Whoa. Dave, what's
There's
your
no
favorite?
nothing that we should not go in that place. We can roam everywhere we want and explore everything.
Dave, what's your favorite part abhi tak ka? Like what's your favorite?
Going near Pluto, but fail every time to go near it.
Oh, that's a very curious observation. So now, like, what we'll do is that, like Khushi and all the other people, what's your favorite thing which you want to do? Like, अगर तुमको ऐसा कोई मिल जाए चीज, तो तुम क्या करना चाहोगे, खुशी? Like, जैसे मुझे काफी ज्यादा मन करता है मर्क्यूरी के पास जाने का. So तुम्हारा क्या मन करता है? Like, अगर जैसे ब्लैक होल को देखने का या सन के पास जाने का?
Sir,
Yes.
I want to go near the Jupiter.
You want to go near the Jupiter? ये तो हम लोग अभी पूरा कर देंगे. Our captain Abdul will take you just after this. Okay. Now, Sparsh, what do you want to do similarly?
Sir, I want to go on sun.
Oh, that's interesting, Dave.
Yes, sir, I also tried to go.
But we can't
Sir?
enter it.
Yes, sir,
There is no option on.
we can't enter on it.
Whoa.
We can just touch it, but then we have to turn. We cannot go inside that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's great. Now what we will do is like Shreyansh, would you like to tell सबसे ज़्यादा मन क्या करता है तुम्हारा किस चीज को करने का?
Sir, I want to explore the whole solar system.
Explore the whole solar system. ये तो अभी पूरा हो जाएगा खुशी के साथ ही. संस्कार. Hello, Sanskar.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What do you like the most? What do you like to do the most? Like तुम्हारा क्या मन करता है? मरकरी के पास जाने का, प्लूटो के पास जाने का?
Hello,
Sir, I want
sir.
to stay on Earth.
Okay. Yes, Kushi. What do you want to say?
Sir, my name is not Kushi. My name is Gini.
No, Giri, that's correction. Okay, like it was mentioning in the Zoom call. So, hey, Giri, hi, Giri, how are you? And like अभी हम लोगों ने देखा था, you want to go close to the Jupiter. Our captain Abdul Hadi is doing that same thing. He is taking you to closer to the gaseous giant planet.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So this is the. Mhm.
I want to ask that did anyone notice that when I was going near Jupiter, most of the planets come and just visit me?
Yeah. Many planets they were hitting you and they were coming the way. So yes, that's the basic point. You have to rise very safely into it. So let's talk about Saturn now. Like, what do you think? Like, what's your like observation? All the people in the chat as well. Like, what do you think about like Saturn? क्या लगता है Saturn को देख के?
Sir, I have a question about Saturn.
Yes, Aryan.
Sir, I have the question is how Saturn rings were made.
How Saturn
How
rings
it's
were
rings?
made?
So can
कोई
I
answer?
answer?
Abdul, yes.
So actually, those were not rings. They are small rocks, or you can say meteor. It has the gravity and power that much that it can just make it around it and make them look like a ring.
Oh, that's really interesting. Can you go closer to the rings, Abdul? तुम्हें पता है इतनी सारी रिंग्स होती हैं कि हम लोग को इनको नाम रखना पड़ता है कि क्या कहते हैं ABCD. Dave, I think your network connection is having.
Sir, his voice is not clear.
Yeah, your voice is not coming clear. You can try once. Hello. Yes. So guys, पता है इस सैटर्न के पास इतनी सारी रिंग्स होती हैं कि हम लोग इनको नाम देते हैं ABCDE. एंड तुम्हें ये चीज पता है कि जुपिटर, नेपट्यून, यूरेनस सबके पास रिंग्स होती हैं, बट सैटर्न के पास सबसे ज्यादा बढ़िया एंड सबसे प्यारी रिंग्स होती हैं. Wow, this is so cool, Abdul. ये कैसे कर रहे हो? So all the people on YouTube who are asking which is this game, what is this game? So in the description there's a Google form. You can fill this up and you can join us with Aryan, Dave, Abdul Hadi, and all the wonderful junior Kalams. We sit out or weekly. We do science activities. We ask questions. We are the most curious bunch of people. Yes, Dave.
Sir, I want to ask a question.
Yes.
So as Abdul Hadi has said, the ring of the Saturn is a stone.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, so Jupiter is not having a stone because it has more gravity than Saturn.
हाँ,
Sir?
इसमें yes.
Sir, it actually just all the stones and all the things get into it because it has more gravity, so all the things get into it, and it protects Earth also.
Whoa.
Jupiter don't have a ring.
So Jupiter is having a ring, Dave. It's not that Jupiter is not having a ring, but the point is that Jupiter's ring are very faint. The reason is that अगर कोई planet देखो होता क्या है कि you have to get a good velocity, exact velocity to sustain yourself. अगर क्या कहते हैं मैं एक स्टोन हूँ जो जुपिटर के आसपास चक्कर काट रहा हूँ, then क्या होगा कि इवेंचुअली इफ मेरी स्पीड इतनी अच्छी नहीं होगी तो मैं गिर जाऊंगा. अब होता क्या है कि जुपिटर का इतना ज्यादा ग्रेविटी होता है कि टू गेट द गुड लाइक द एक्यूरेट स्पीड इट्स अ टफ पार्ट. इन केस ऑफ सैटर्न, जुपिटर बोथ वर हैविंग लॉट ऑफ सैटेलाइट्स. 70-80 सैटेलाइट्स होते हैं इन दोनों के. अब इतने सारे सैटेलाइट्स थे तो कुछ कोलिजन भी हुए एंड दे स्टार्टेड डिस्ट्रक्टिंग ईच अनदर. सो इतने कोलिजन के बाद व्हाट हैपेंड वाज दैट इवेंचुअली like it started coming कि वो pieces और debris जो थी इधर उधर फैली and धीरे वो क्या कहते हैं ऐसे रिंग फॉर्मेशन होने लगी. सैटर्न के केस में थोड़े ज्यादा कोलिजन्स हुए होंगे एंड उसमें उसके जो रिंग्स हैं वो थोड़ी ज्यादा अच्छे से फॉर्म हो पाई क्योंकि उनकी उसका ग्रेविटी इतनी ज्यादा नहीं थी. एंड दूसरी बात ये है कि जुपिटर इज अ वेरी विलॉप्शियस प्लैनेट. वो कुछ भी खा लेता है अगर उसकी ठीक से स्पीड नहीं आती है. नेपट्यून के पास भी रिंग्स है बट नेपट्यून इज अ वेरी फ्रोजन प्लैनेट. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इज कि पता है नेपट्यून और यूरेनस जैसे सिमिलर है ना, जैसे अभी अब्दुल इज शोइंग अस यूरेनस एंड नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स नेपट्यून. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि ये दोनों प्लैनेट सिमिलर है तो उसी की वजह से सैटर्न और जुपिटर भी सिमिलर है. तो उनके जो कॉम्पोजिशन है वो सिमिलर होगी. नेपट्यून और इन दोनों की कॉम्पोजिशन भी सिमिलर होगी क्योंकि जब सोलर सिस्टम बन रहा था ना तो जैसे हम लोग वो करते हैं लाइक चर्निंग, तो उस टाइम पे ऐसे क्या कहते हैं सोलर सन जो एकदम नया फॉर्म हो रहा था, इट वाज चर्निंग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग डिफरेंटली बेस्ड ऑन देयर ग्रेविटी, बेस्ड ऑन देयर मासेस, बेस्ड ऑन देयर टेम्परेचर. सारे एलिमेंट्स अलग अलग ऐसे चर्न होते चले गए. फिर उसके बाद वो जो अलग अलग पीसेस, स्टोन्स, लिपिड्स एंड रॉक्स थे, दे स्टार्टेड अक्यूमुलेटिंग ग्रेविटी की वजह से एंड प्लैनेट स्टार्टेड फॉर्मिंग. इसी वजह से मार्स एंड अर्थ का थोड़ा कॉम्पोजिशन सिमिलर है, नेपट्यून और यूरेनस का फॉर्म कॉम्पोजिशन थोड़ा सिमिलर है. So ये रीजंस की वजह से नेपट्यून और यूरेनस की रिंग्स इसलिए नहीं होती क्योंकि they were not that much disturbances out there which could attend create a problem to it. So that was the reason जिसकी वजह से नेपट्यून और यूरेनस की भी रिंग्स हैं बट इतनी मैसिव नहीं जितनी सैटर्न की है. So that's yes.
So is there a deep pit in Neptune because when it is rotating, so we can see a deep pit on it.
Yeah. So it's not a very constant phenomena. नेपट्यून में भी स्टॉर्म्स आते हैं बट दे आर वेरी कोल्ड स्टॉर्म. मीथेन जो लाइक इन सब चीजों के काफी ज्यादा वहाँ एटमॉस्फेयर होता है. सो वहाँ पे जैसे ग्रेट रेड स्पॉट है ना तो वो सालों से है. अगले 20 साल तक का ग्रेट रेड स्पॉट होने वाला है, उसके बाद वो ऐसे क्या कहते हैं डिसअपियर हो जाएगा। बट यूरेनस में क्या कहते हैं चीजें काफी फ्रोजन है, इट्स नॉट अ लाइक क्लाउड्स है, गैसेस है, स्टॉर्म्स नहीं है वहां।
Sir, it is very cold planet.
इट्स अ एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड प्लैनेट एंड वहाँ बर्फ की जगह मीथेन ये सब गैसेस होती है जो बहुत बड़ी हुई है। So it's a very cold planet. It's a very harsh condition वहाँ पे होती है. So nobody wants to go to Neptune. Everybody wants to go to Shimla, Manali, but यहाँ कोई नहीं जाना चाहता क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक तो ऑक्सीजन ही नहीं है, दूसरी बात है कि इतना ठंडा, इतना ज्यादा ही ठंडा, -70-80 डिग्री सेल्सियस को मतलब तुम एटमॉस्फेयर में घुसते ही मिल जाएगा। It's a very cold planet. Nobody like it's a so that in that sense वहाँ के clouds are mostly frozen. There is no liquid thing out there. So that's the reason. So Neptune देखो इतना पास आ रहा है. So देव का favorite planet is also coming nearer. Like we can see Pluto जो कि उसके बाहर आता है, it's also there. So people in the chat like you can ask questions and we will definitely. Yes.
Sir, my sister is being शर्मा रही सर बोलने में कुछ.
Okay, Khushi, what do you want to ask? Yes.
Not Khushi.
Oh, yeah, Guinea. What do you want to ask?
I want to ask you why seawater is salty.
Why seawater is salty? Who want to answer it? Like, who is willing to answer this question?
Sir,
Okay, Abdul Hadi, Aryan and okay, Abdul Hadi and Dev में से choose करना है. So Aryan बताओ किसको पहले chance दें?
Sir, whom should I give chance? I have to give the chance.
Yeah, give the chance first. Like कौन सबसे पहले आंसर करेगा, उसके बाद दोनों आंसर करेंगे, but first chance बताओ किसको दें?
Sir, you can give the chance.
So let's take the first answer from Dev itself. Dev बताओ why?
Sir, because sea water is having mineral in it, and the sand also.
Okay, that's like minerals and sands. Abdul, what do you want to give the answer in that
the
segment?
same I wanted to give.
Okay, so वहाँ पे कई सारे stones and minerals थे जो क्या कहते हैं इधर उधर like mix up होने लगे and उसके बाद वो बनने लगे. So that's the reason जिसकी वजह से ऐसा आया था. And
Sir?
seawater is yes.
Should I show the air vision also, Jigyasu vision?
Yes. Why not? Like the Jigyasu vision, the much awaited. The Jigyasu vision, which is like there. Please, go on there.
Sir, are you able
So
to
Meena
see
Bhatti
it?
is telling us, sir, do you know that if we multiply our weight to 2.34, we will get the weight on Jupiter? So wow, that's a wonderful fact. Like if you multiply by 2, अगर जैसे लगभग 2.5 गुना ज्यादा होता है, अगर यहाँ पे मैं 70-80 किलो का होऊंगा, तो जुपिटर में मेरा वजन हो जाएगा कितना? 300-250 तक का इतना ज्यादा वजन हो जाएगा. 2.53, 2.3 तक का इतना heavy weight आ जाएगा. Oh, whoa. So this is the Jigyasu vision. So this is basically the special power of our character Jigyasu, in which Jigyasu can basically turn any planet into their home. So now we can see the great planet of solar, like the solar system in the home.
Sir, where is
of
Pluto?
Pluto is beyond Neptune. So like Abdul, you can decrease the size of the solar system. ऐसे double swipe से, like double pin zoom से. Yes. अब ऊपर की तरफ देखो. Okay. Wow, it's so beautiful. So Abdul Hadi के घर में पूरा का पूरा सोलर सिस्टम आ चुका है live. Okay. So अभी क्या कहते हैं? Abdul, where is Neptune? Can you track it?
Sir, I'm trying.
Yes, वो देखो जुपिटर के पीछे छुपा हुआ है वो. Wow, if you people, if you're liking this, please hit like and share it as well.
Yes, sir, it is visible now.
Yes. And if you're interested in the game, there's a Google form present in the YouTube description, which you can just go there. So we are basically celebrating the New Year science party with Abdul, Dev, Aryan, Khushi, Jaswal, Sanskar, and all other people. So that's is happening right now. And
Sir, as Abdul is showing Uranus, I have a question with it.
yes,
may I
that's the question. Yes, please, Aryan.
Yes, sir, my question is, as the Earth has in a year 365 days, how many days does the Uranus have in 1 year?
Whoa. How many years, like, well, how much time does Uranus takes to revolve around Sun? That you mean, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so guys, do you have an answer to this question? In the chat box, Nico, you will get a shout out from all of us, and we will.
Sir, I think it has 224 days.
You think? So, what's the correct answer? Please Google
Sir, where is
search.
Pluto?
Pluto is beyond Neptune. In this simulation, we have only shown planets. So, like,
Sir, as we know, sir, Jupiter have 82 moon, but we cannot see it.
yeah, because they are very small in comparison to the size. अगर हम लोग उनको
Some are big also. More than our.
yeah, Ganymede is the biggest satellite, and even still, in comparison to like Jupiter, they are very small. Like तू समझ रहे हो ना उसका एक टॉर्नेडो अर्थ की साइज का होता
And
है.
sir, that Mercury also we cannot see, Baba.
Yeah, Mercury we can also see because it's very close to the sun, and it's
Mars.
Mars को हम लोग रात को देखते हैं शाम को. It appears in the night sky as a red bright star.
No, but we cannot see their sun.
But we can.
Or can I say, sir?
Yes, please, Khushi, go on. So, guys, like all the people who are present as of now on YouTube and everywhere, if you're interested in the game, then there's a Google form link which you can definitely go and like, and like whatever you want to do, you can fill up the details, and then we shall be a part of this wonderful journey.
Sir?
Yes, who's asking the question?
So no one is asking the question from the YouTube.
No, a lot of people are asking. I was just not taking it up. Okay, so now comes the rapid fire round. So people on the YouTube, like, get ready for the rapid fire round. So the first question is thrown is that what is the atmosphere of Jupiter like? It is asked by Meena Bhatt. Hello, Meena ma'am. How are you? Yes, who's gonna answer? Like, what's the creation, like the composition of Jupiter? क्या बना है उसके अंदर? क्या है उसके अंदर?
Sir, gases.
Yes, gases. Which gases?
Sir, hydrogen and helium gases.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hydrogen
Sir,
and
the Jupiter is a mixture of hydrogen and helium gases.
helium.
Hydrogen and helium.
Okay. That's a good answer. Diya Singh is asking what is inside the black hole.
So now what we can say about that?
Like, what do you define? Like, come on, get अपने views बताओ
Sir,
सब.
it's known as singularity.
Sir, a black hole is formed when a star explodes. Our sun is also
When the sun
a sun,
explodes.
but it can't just become a black hole
Why?
because there is a limit of it, and if it reaches out of that limit, then only it can become a black hole.
क्या तुम इस लिमिट का नाम बता सकते हो अब्दुल्ला? इस लिमिट को बोलते हैं.
Such Chandrasekhar limit.
Wow, that's truly interesting. Not like now, that's really fun. Like, you are knowing the name. That's truly amazing. So now the next question is in the chat box is that by Meena Bhatti again, does Jupiter is having aurora? So first of all, ये पता है तुम लोग को aurora क्या होता है?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
it is a light.
It's a light.
Come on,
अच्छा,
non-
अब तुम
Sir, it is a light, aurora light.
before discussing aurora, क्या तुम अर्थ की तरफ मोड़ सकते हो शिप को? हम लोग को अर्थ दिखाओ स्पेस से. How does Earth look from space? And now like we will discuss about aurora. So अभी हम लोग के अर्थ दिख रही है. इंडिया के पास ले जाना, ठीक है? हम लोग को अपना घर देखना है. तो and now we are moving ahead. Jupiter बढ़ता हुआ सारे जोर से.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
So now can I share the screen?
Yes, you will. Just अभी अर्थ दिखाने के बाद you can share the screen. So
Okay.
now like it's moving ahead on the orbit of, and then just stay close. No, नहीं फिरना नहीं. Oh. Okay, Abdul. Now उसके पास जाके रुक जाना. Okay. So now aurora. What do you think? What it is aurora? कैसे होता है aurora? बेसिकली क्या होता है, जब सोलर वेव्स आती है, सोलर सुनामीज आती है, तो अर्थ की मैग्नेटिक फील्ड सारी इन पार्टिकल्स को कंसंट्रेट कर देती है टुवर्ड्स द पोल. सो पोल्स के पास में एक अजीब सी ब्रिलियंट सी लाइट आती है. सो इन दैट like we can see the thing. So Abdul, you go from the behind the earth, so you will not collide to it. Okay. So in that way, we can see the aurora light. So Jupiter, yes, it does have aurora. It has a lot of thunderstorms. जैसे हम लोग रात को बिजली कड़कते देखते हैं, वैसे ही जुपिटर पे बहुत सारी बिजली कड़कती है, and there are a lot of things out there. So yes, Meena Bhatti ji, like it does have the aurora, like most of the planets do have. What's the difference between planets and dwarf planets? Now this question should be answered by Dev.
So can you repeat?
What's the difference between a planet and a dwarf planet?
So dwarf planet is a planet which does not include in solar system. So dwarf planet does not have a fixed shape. So it can be of any shape. It can be smaller than star, and it can be bigger than sun also.
Okay, that's okay. So dwarf planets are a part of solar system, but they are not just characterized as planets. Wow, and now we can see India. Wow, that's so beautiful. India के पास अब्दुल इकबाल ले जाना. Now we can see our home country, and we are sitting somewhere around it, and we can look into it.
So you also live in India.
Yes.
Okay, so now the thing is we can discuss the next question. So dwarf planets basically a part of solar system, but उनका size and shape and थोड़ा orbit थोड़ा अजीब होता है. People put it
But
in
they are
the
not.
yeah,
but they are not
Not the part
cactus.
of solar.
Yes,
They're
sir.
not-
they are part of solar system, but they are not called as planets. That's it.
Arey, they are not part of
They
solar.
are not named as planets.
They are not named as planet. Pluto is a part of solar system. Anything
No,
which is attracted towards sun is a part of solar system. Okay, so that's the basic thing.
Hello,
Now-
sir. Can I now share the screen?
Yes, you can share the screen, Dave. Meanwhile, we take up another question from the audience. People, you can take up the question, ask the question. So, all the new people, we must tell you that we are celebrating the new year, welcoming the year 2021 with our curiosity in science. And on this show, we have few very, very, very bright people who are watching this live, and also very brilliant kids who are with us on the Zoom call and are taking the answers and questions. So now I must tell you that Sanskar, Sparsh, Shyansh, Dev Jaiswal, and Khushi Jaiswal, Abdul Hadi, Aryan Gupta, all the curious small jigyasus who are present with us, they are discussing all the things. And
We can see the screen, Dave.
yes, Dave, you can. Yeah, I can see your screen. Now you can present the screen, your gameplay. Whoa. So guys, if you're interested in this wonderful world of Kalam world, please hit like, and you can definitely fill up the Google form present in the section. And usko bharne ke baad, you will also
Tell me
get
which planet we have to go.
Which planet? That's your
Sir,
choice.
I
Moon. Sir, moon.
The moon.
Yes, sir, moon.
Moon, all the people, बताओ कहाँ पे जाए? You have 3 options on YouTube. All the people who are watching us live, बताओ कहाँ पे जाना है? Jupiter है, Earth है, and Moon है. जहाँ पे भी जाने का मन करे, वहाँ पे
Sir, we
आप
have explored the Jupiter and Earth, but now we have to go on the moon.
Yo, pata hai, that's a very famous speech by Ben. I'm forgetting the name of the US president. I think it was John F. Kennedy. And जब उन्होंने मिशन लॉन्च किया था नासा के साथ में मून पे जाने का, तो लोगों ने कहा था यार मून पे जाने के लिए इतने पैसे क्यों खर्च कर रहे हो, वो करोड़ पैसे मून जाने के लिए. तो उन्होंने एक बहुत ही फेमस स्पीच दी थी. We have to go to the moon because we have to go to the moon. That's the limit of humanity कि हम लोग मून तक जाके अपना स्पेसशिप लगा के आ गए. So इसी स्पीच का एक वर्ड अभी बाय चांस आर्यन ने भी बोल दिया, we have to go to the moon, and wonderful answer. People in the chat box, आप भी लिख सकते हो where you want to go, what you have to do, and that's a wonderful thing. So moon की तरफ बढ़ते हुए Abdul Hadi, let's see how it's going.
Sir, that is Dave, not
So
Abdul.
that is Dave.
They. Now our pilot is different. Now our pilot is Dev Jaiswal. What's your favorite part, Dev? What do you like the most? I think Dev's screen is stuck. So now it's moving again. Dave, like there's some network error. Please ensure that your network is good. Okay. No problem.
Their screen is not.
Yeah.
Its screen is lagging.
Can I
Okay.
reshare?
Abdul, you can start the resharing, and once you have
Sir,
to
now me. Sir, me.
okay, like Abdul, I just want to see Earth in like AR mode.
Okay, sir.
Yep. So Abdul, like Aryan, you will share the screen, but now abhi hum log ko we have to see Earth in the AR mode. Okay. Only Earth, not the
Yes.
solar system. Not the solar system. Only Earth. Abdul, you have to go.
Hello,
to
sir. I am back.
Yes, but you're on Abdul, like you have to, what you have to do is that you have to get back, go close to the earth, and then हमको सिर्फ अर्थ देखनी जिज्ञासु विजन में. All the people on YouTube and सब लोग कह रहे हैं कि like what's जिज्ञासु vision, all the things are there. So let's see only earth. Okay.
Sir, he's showing the earth. He's
Wow.
showing the earth.
Whoa, that's so beautiful.
There is India Sea.
There is India. There's the Himalayas. There's all the planets. There's moon. We can see moon rotating around.
Africa.
Wow. It's so beautiful.
Sir, I am coming in 1 minute.
Okay, Kushti, no problem. So now this is Mercury. Wow, that's so beautiful. Can you go close to the Earth? Like sorry, Sun. Can you go close to the Sun?
Sir, this is my second time when I saw the Jigyasu vision.
Whoa.
My also.
So guys, like this is the power of Kalam World. Like we have added the 3 superpowers. Like अभी next update में we will also give telescopic, microscopic power जिसमें जिज्ञासु किसी भी चीज में ऐसे देखेगा and वो directly उसका microscopic vision ला सकता है. And telescopic power जिसमें किसी planet पे देखेगा और एकदम दूर तक का देख पाएगा. So that's the logo. Like curiosity is the superpower of us. So wonderful thing. नेपट्यून कौन देखना चाहता था? किसका सबसे फेवरेट प्लैनेट यूरेनस या नेपट्यून था? एक बार नेपट्यून और यूरेनस को भी दिखाओ. Yes. Yes, pardon.
Sir, why sea is blue?
Why sea water is blue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what happens is basically इस पानी नीला इसलिए लग रहा होता है हम लोग को क्योंकि उसमें जब पानी जाता है अंदर, so depending upon the mineral concentration and the content of it, refraction of light happens. Okay, so yes.
So she is asking why sea water is blue and the water we drink is transparent.
Exactly. So why I'm telling you is कि पहली बात तो कि एक सी में बहुत सारा पानी होता है, बहुत सारी इम्प्योरिटी भी होती है. ठीक है. So the water we drink is mostly pure in nature and the sea water is having salts and minerals. दूसरी बात होती है डेप्थ. सी वाटर में बहुत ज्यादा डेप्थ होती है, तो अगर लाइट जरा सी भी रिफ्रैक्ट हो रही होगी ना कांच के गिलास में, अगर हम जरा सा पी रहे होंगे तो वो दिखती नहीं है. बट सी वाटर में इतना सारा पानी होता है तो जरा सी भी जो रिफ्रैक्शन होते हैं, लाइक लाइट के थोड़ा सा ब्लू नेचर शायद रिफ्लेक्ट करने की टेंडेंसी होती है पानी में, बट इतने सारे पानी के थ्रू जब वो जा रही होती है अंदर तक का, तो उसमें धीरे धीरे सिर्फ ब्लू ही होता है जो रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा होता है. तो उसकी वजह से सी वाटर लुक्स एज ब्लूइश इन नेचर. And the normal water, because of the quantity as well as the content, it is looking transparent. Yes.
Sir, the speed of Mercury is the fastest. Look how it's revolving.
Pardon?
So the speed of Mercury is very fast, and it is just revolving so much fast that I cannot even show it.
Whoa, yes.
Once I also tried to do that. I tried to catch up the Mercury. I tried, but it revolves so fast that I can't even touch it.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Dave.
Sir, I cannot do the AR mode, sir. I've tried
Yes.
2-3 times.
Yes, we will discuss it after the party. Like, you can call me up to discuss it. So all the people on YouTube who are asking to get the link, who are wanting to see this Jigyasu Vision solar system at your home, who want to bring Jupiter at their home and want to explore planets and everything, there's a Google form. You can just fill it up and then that's it. You can come live with Aryan Gupta, superstars, Dev Jaiswal, Abdul Hadi, the curious people, Khushi Jaiswal, and Shreyansh, Sanskar, all the wonderful people who are present with us celebrating New Year with curiosity, science, and learning. So now what we will do is Sparsh. Like, would you like to say something?
So should I stop the AR session?
I have a question.
Yes, Sparsh.
So when we climb a hill, so when we not climb, मतलब जब हम लोग नहीं चढ़ पाते, मतलब जब हम लोग नीचे रहते हैं तो वेदर नॉर्मल रहता है, जब हम लोग ऊपर चढ़ते हैं तो वेदर कोल्ड होने लगता है, ऐसा क्यों?
ऐसा क्यों होता है? Come on, everyone on the YouTube and answer the call. Who want to answer this question?
सर सिंपल आंसर सर, क्योंकि वहाँ पर हवा बहुत कम होती है.
अच्छा, अब्दुल तुम्हारा क्या रीजन है?
So actually, mostly the hills are very much cold and there are clouds also which make it cold. Whereas on the plain areas, it is a hot and warm climate. So we feel cold as we go at high temperature. That are high top.
ये तो बात ठीक है, बट एक चीज होती है ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस. तुम्हें पता है CO2 के बारे में? एक ऐसी गैस
Yes, sir.
हीट बहुत ज्यादा पसंद होती है. जैसे हीट मिलती है CO2 पकड़ के उसको रख लेती है अपने पास. ठीक है, तो बेस्ड ऑन दैट क्या होता है कि CO2 एंड ऑल दीज ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस जिनको हीट से बहुत ज्यादा प्यार मोहब्बत होती है, what they are basically on the surface of the planet. Okay, so like वो surface के पास ही रहती है. Eventually धीरे धीरे because of their weight, it like they are not prevalent on the higher altitude. So होता क्या है, जब ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस ही नहीं होंगी, ऐसी गैसेस जो हीट को रिटेन नहीं कर पाती है, so at higher altitude what we get is basically a lower temperature in nature. Okay, so उसकी वजह से ऐसा reasons आ रहे होते हैं. Venus is the hottest planet by hailstorm and other things. Yes, Dave, now you can share and we have to the final round of things. So Dave and Aryan, like you can share side by side. So like Dave, you can share and take us to like the things. Abdul, you can stop the stream. Or perhaps I think Dave, you have connectivity issues, so that's why like it's better that like you are.
सर me.
Aryan,
So
like,
now Aryan can.
yeah, Aryan, like can you try once?
Yes sir, I will try.
Okay. In fact, Dave, you just got disconnected because of the connectivity issue. So no issues. Try once more, and you will also share the screen. We all are just doing the same thing. So Hellstorm on YouTube, he has answered, like given a wonderful fact that Venus is the hottest planet. People who are there, please like the video as well because it will help us to take up the YouTube algorithm upwards and to reach maximum people. Okay.
On YouTube this.
Yes. So now guys, like please hit the like button. It should increase and at least we should cross over the number of 0. Yes.
Sir, where should we go?
Where should we go? Like they will tell us कहाँ पे जाना है.
Sir, near Jupiter.
Near
The
Jupiter.
moon.
Moon. Okay.
So
लेकिन
because we
they
have not explored it till now.
okay. लेकिन अभी क्या कहते हैं जुपिटर के पास जाके फिर हम लोग मून के पास ले जाएंगे. ठीक है.
सर पहले मून पे चले जा रहे हैं.
ओके, मून पे चलते हैं. चलो अगर दोनों मान गए तो.
ओके सर.
So we'll go to the moon. We'll go to the moon वाली feeling.
Sir, wait, sir, it is downloading.
No issues. So guys, what do you think? Like अभी क्या कहते हैं सबसे favorite चीज कौन सी लगी तुमको यहाँ पे?
So basically just going into the space without being an astronaut. That's the only thing. We can go in the space and explore everything, whatever we want.
Okay. That's really wonderful thing. Like Abdul. Now we will see that it's downloading. Moon is downloading. So, but
Wait,
guys,
sir.
yeah.
I'm directly doing from here.
Sir, we are on the moon now.
Yeah, it is just taking time.
Yeah, it's loading. So, do you know the name of the person, the first person to get on moon? कौन
Sir,
सबसे
Neil Armstrong.
Who was the second person जो moon पे गया था?
Sir, Michael Collins.
Nigel Collin.
Sir, the
I
third was
can't
Edwin
do one more.
Aldrin.
It was basically Adeline Buss, not Michael Collins. The second person who went on moon was Adeline Buss.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I can't go on moon. I don't know why. You can tell any another planet.
Yeah, actually your net is slow as of now, Dave. So what we'll do is like let's have a rapid fire round.
Gone.
You can stop the screen once, like Dave, and now we'll have a rapid fire round. Okay? Like people are asking
Okay.
questions, lot of questions on YouTube. Okay. So let's go on to the rapid fire round. You can end the screen now. And people who are interested in getting to the game, please fill up the Google form and hit the like button. Okay. So now you can end this share. Usually you can take back the host rights.
Sir, I have stopped sharing.
Like, yep. So,
Sir, they have started screen sharing.
Dave, like, can you like stop the screen sharing for now? Like, let's take up a rapid fire round because a lot of people. Pardon? No. That screen sharing still happen. Like, you just
Yes,
can.
sir. Sir,
Yes, you can.
its screen is not visible.
Sir, the screen is still here. I can see.
Yes, sir. It's still there.
User, can you look up into this? Like, yeah, it's gone now, totally gone. Okay, now we are totally working fine. So now, please introduce yourself to the audience and tell the favorite thing that you like about the space and all of the things. Okay, guys. So tell us, come on. Like, we'll begin with Aryan. Aryan, introduce yourself, tell the favorite science concept, and say Happy New Year to the people who are looking at us.
Yes, sir.
So,
Hello to all of you. My name is Arun Gupta, and now I am going to tell you all the viewers that a very happy new year to all of you. Tomorrow there is a new year, and the thing I want to tell you all about Kalam Lab scheme is we can go everywhere we want, and we can do experiments that we can do all the experiments that we want in our mind.
oh, that's really interesting, Aryan. Like such a wonderful observation. Now, Abdul, would you like to introduce yourself? Say Happy New Year, and what's the best part which you felt in this game so far?
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Abhadi, and I'm from New Delhi, India. So I'm in class 5. I would like to tell you that in this game you can do whatever you need, whatever you want. So basically, first you can check the gravity, and that is the only thing right now. But later on, sir will give you the updated version. Also, most of the things like you get new concepts. Like right now it's gravity. Maybe at other point we'll be having water or something. So you can do anything. And my favorite thing about science is just to know more about space and chemicals. Happy New Year in advance to everyone. Thank you.
Yes. Dave, would you like to do the same? Dave, hello, Dave.
Sir,
Sir, he is not audible.
He's not audible. I think he's having certain other issue. Spush, would you like to do the same?
Yes. Happy New Year to all the viewers. And I want to say that tomorrow is my grandmother's birthday also.
Wow, what's her name? We will wish Dadiji happy birthday again.
So
Sir, tomorrow is my mother's birthday also.
Oh, so 2 birthdays lined up on 1st of January. That's so beautiful. So what's your name? Name of your grandmother, like Spush?
So Meera Gupta.
Meera Gupta. And your mother, Aryan?
Sir, Sushma Gupta.
Sushma. So, like Sushma Gupta ji and Meera Gupta ji, happy birthday from in advance for tomorrow, along with Happy New Year. So that's so cute, Spurs.
Thank you.
Nice. Yes. Now, Shreyans, would you like to introduce and tell us just like the best thing about which you liked? Okay, I think there's some network issue and no problems, no problems, no problems, no problems. No, no,
Sir?
no, no. Yes.
So I want to ask that there were many biscuit challenge, and can you tell me who were the winners of the?
nearly 15.5 crore.
Guys, this was my video. Guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Guys, ये YouTube से नहीं है. Guys, ये मेरा मतलब कि एक ऐप है मेरे पास. एक डाउनलोड की जब मैं स्क्रीन शेयरिंग करते हैं तो वही मतलब कि जो था वो आकाश चोपड़ा का, तो वो भी स्क्रीन शेयरिंग वाला था, यूट्यूब वाला नहीं. गाइस आप मेरे फ़ोन से कहीं भी देख सकते हैं. गाइस जो कि हम आपको दिखाते भी हैं. गाइस मेरा यूट्यूब स्क्रीन शेयरिंग वाला नहीं, तो रुकिए. गाइस मैं आपको दिखाते स्क्रीन शेयरिंग वाला. ये वाला कहाँ गया? ये एक जूम ऐप नहीं है, स्क्रीन शेयरिंग वाला ऐप है. गाइस ये ऊपर से देख लीजिए, ये है और एक ये है, दो है. मैं इसे स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ. गाइस प्लीज़ होप यू लाइक माई वीडियो एंड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. नॉट इन एडवांस, आई एम सेइंग around 1 month after. You all have a big happy new year and celebrate your new year with lots of fun. And this year I hope the school all will be open. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.